Welcome to this look at the IP solar floodlight. This is a really handy light if you've got an area on your property that you want to keep illuminated when you find traffic, when you're maybe going to a shed or something like that and you don't want to run power out there. This thing's got a really nice solar array on it. Let's explore what comes in the package. We've got the unit itself. We've got a mounting base. And we've got some screws for attaching this to a number of different surfaces. We've got anchors for use in masonry. We've got screws we can use in wood. So we don't really need anything extra to get this in action. I'm going to get the box out of the way and then take a look at this unit. Now, the panels for the lighting are aimable, so you do get a lot of options for getting your light to spread out the way you want to. And then this is the motion detector here. We get that deployed out where the light is going to be, because that makes sense. You do want to make sure that your solar panel is aimed at the sun for maximum exposure. You want to make sure this angle is as close as it can be to the angle of the incident light coming from the sun in that location. Now, it's going to need at least 8 hours of full sunlight to get up to a full charge. So before you deploy this unit, make sure you get it out in the sun for 8 hours straight, and then you can put it where you need it, and it should have a pretty good charge at that point. So when you deploy this, make sure you turn it on. This is the power switch right here. We turn that on. You see the light flash on and then go off. Well, that's because it's getting incident light right now on the solar panel, and it's not detecting any motion. So in order for this thing to become operational, what we need to do is block the light. So to block the light, I'm just going to flip it upside down like that, and then it's going to see the motion, and it's going to turn the lights on. So this is the operation we want. This is going to be a true dusk to dawn solution with a motion detector to only come on when it needs to be on. Now, this is a really, really great unit, and it does come with a base. It claims to output 10 watts, and it's got a lot of light for its size. Now, the base we're going to mount on whatever we want, and we want to mount it so that the tab is facing the ground, so that this naturally wants to sit in that cradle and lock in place. So we're going to go put this up somewhere on the farm, and then we're going to take a look at what it looks like in use. This unit right out of the box comes with everything we need to install it. We just need a cordless drill or an impact driver. Just get this bracket mounted to whatever you need. It only takes 2 screws. Super quick and easy. I put this on the entryway to my workshop, and it actually worked exceptionally well. As you'll see, I went out and tested it later on in the day, and I was surprised at how easily it triggered from quite a distance away. Here it is. Man, even from the side, it still has great visibility to incoming traffic. And it shuts off pretty quick. It doesn't waste a lot of power. Anyway, thanks for joining me.